आज हम लोग यूजीसी नेट एजुकेशन के सिलेबस को डिस्कस करेंगे। कोड नंबर है 09 और यूनिट 1 एजुकेशनल स्टडीज़। इसके अंदर पार्ट ए में कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इंडियन स्कूल्स ऑफ फिलॉसफी, सांख्य फिलॉसफी, योगा, वेदांता, बुद्धिज्म, जैनिज्म with special reference to Vidya, Dayanand, Darshan and Islamic traditions towards educational aims and methods of acquiring valid knowledge. Part B. Contribution of Western schools of thoughts, idealism, realism, naturalism, pragmatism, Marxism, existentialism and their contribution to education with special reference to information, knowledge and wisdom. Part C. Approaches to sociology of education, symbolic interaction, structural functionalism, and conflict theory. Concept and types of social institutions and their functions. Family, school, and society. These are the social institutions: family, school, and society. Concept of social movements, theories of social movements, relative deprivation, resource mobilization, political process theory, and new social movement theory. Part D. Socialization and education, education and culture, contribution of thinkers like Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Aurobindo, J. Krishnamurti, Paulo Freire, Wollstonecraft, Nell Noddings, and Savitri Bai Phule to the development of educational thought for social change. National values as enshrined in the Indian Constitution: socialism, secularism, justice, liberty, democracy, equality, freedom, with special reference to education. As we all know, socialism, secularism, justice, liberty, democracy, equality, freedom are mentioned in our preamble. Unit 2. History, Politics and Economics of Education. Part A. Committees and Commissions, Contribution to Teacher Education, Secondary Education Commission 1953, Kothari Education Commission 1964-66, National Policy of Education 1986 and 1992, National Commission on Teachers 1999, National Curriculum Framework 2005, NCF 2005, National Knowledge Commission 2007, Yashpal Committee Report 2009, National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education 2009, NCFTE, Justice Verma Committee Report 2012. Part B. Relationship between policies and education, linkage between educational policy and national development, determinants of educational policy and process of policy formulation, analysis of the existing situation, generation of policy options, evaluation of policy options, making the policy decision, planning of policy implementation, policy impact assessment and subsequent policy cycles. Part C. Concept of economics of education, cost benefit analysis versus cost effective analysis in education, economic returns to higher education, signaling theory versus human capital theory, concepts of educational finance at micro and macro levels, concept of budgeting. Part D. Relationship between politics and education, perspectives of politics of education, liberal, conservative and critical, approaches to understanding politics, behavioralism, theory of system analysis, and theory of rational choice. Education for political development and political socialization. Unit 3. Learner and learning process. Growth and development, concept and principles, cognitive processes, stages of cognitive development, personality, definitions and theories, Freud, Carl Rogers, Gordon Allport, Max Wertheimer, Kurt Kofka, mental health and mental hygiene. Part B. Approaches to intelligence from unitary to multiple. Concepts of social intelligence, multiple intelligence, emotional intelligence, theories of intelligence by Sternberg, Gardner, assessment of intelligence, concept of problem solving, critical thinking, metacognition, and creativity. Part C. Principles and theories of learning, behavioristic, cognitive, social theories of learning, factors affecting learning, social competence, concept of social cognition, understanding social relationship, and socialization goals. Part D. Guidance and counseling, nature, principles, and need, types of guidance, educational, vocational, personal, health, and social, and directive, non directive, and eclectic. Approaches to counseling, cognitive behavioral, Albert Ellis, REBT, and humanistic, person centered counseling, Carl Rogers. Theories of counseling, behavioristic, rational, emotive, and reality. Unit 4, Teacher Education. Part A, meaning, nature, scope of teacher education, types of teacher education programs, the structure of teacher education, curriculum and its vision in curriculum documents of NCERT and NCTE at elementary, secondary, and higher secondary levels. Organization of components of pre-service teacher education, transactional approaches, expository, collaborative, and experiential learning. Part B, understanding knowledge base of teacher education from the viewpoint of Scullman, Deng, and Luke. Habermas, meaning of reflective teaching and strategies for promoting reflective teaching, models of teacher education, behavioristic, competency based, and inquiry oriented teacher education models. Part C, concept, need, purpose, and scope of in service teacher education, organization and modes of in service teacher education, agencies and institutions of in service teacher education at district, state, and national levels, SSA, RMSA, SCRT, NCRT, NCTE, and UGC. Preliminary Preliminary consideration in planning in service teacher education program, purpose, duration, resource, and budget. Part D, concept of profession and professionalism, teaching as a profession, professional ethics of teachers, personal and contextual factors affecting teacher development, ICT integration, quality enhancement for professionalization of teacher education, innovation in teacher education. अब आ गया यूनिट 5, करिकुलम स्टडीज़. Part A, concept and principles of curriculum, strategies of curriculum development, stages in the process of curriculum development, foundations of curriculum planning, philosophical basis, national democratic, sociological basis, socio-cultural reconstruction, psychological basis, learners' needs and interests, benchmarking and role of national level statutory bodies, UGC, NCTE, and universities in curriculum development. Part B, modes of curriculum design, traditional and contemporary models, academic discipline based model, competency based model, social functions activities model, social reconstruction, individual needs and interests model, outcome based integrative model, intervention model, CIPP model, context input process product model. Part C, instructional system, instructional media, instructional techniques, and material in enhancing curriculum transaction, approaches to evaluation of curriculum, approaches to curriculum and instruction, academic and competency based approaches, models of curriculum, evaluation, Tyler's model, Stakes model, Scriven's model, Kirkpatrick's model. And part D, meaning and types of curriculum change, factors affecting curriculum change, approaches to curriculum change, role of student, teacher, and educational administrators in curriculum change and improvement, scope of curriculum research, types of research in curriculum studies. Unit 6, Research in Education. Part A, meaning and scope of educational research, meaning and steps of scientific method, characteristics of scientific method, rep- replicability, precision, falsibi- falsifiability, and parsimony. Types of scientific method: exploratory, explanatory, and descriptive. Aims of research as a scientific activity: problem solving, theory building, prediction. Types of research: fundamental, applied, and action. Approaches to educational research: quantitative and qualitative approaches. Designs in educational research: descriptive, experimental, and historical designs. Part B, variables, meaning of concepts, constructs, and variables. Types of variables: independent variable, dependent variable, extraneous variable, intervening variable, and moderator variables. Hypothesis: concept, sources, types, research, directional, non-directional, null research. Formulating hypothesis: characteristics of a good hypothesis, steps of writing a research proposal, concept of universe and sample, characteristics of a good sample, techniques of sampling, probability and non-probability sampling, tools of research, validity, reliability, and standardization of a tool, types of tools, rating scale, attitude scale, questionnaire, aptitude test, uh, aptitude test, and achievement test, inventory, techniques of research, observation, interview, and projective techniques. Part C, types of measurement scale: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio, quantitative data analysis, descriptive data analysis, measures of central tendency, variability, fiduciary limits, and graphical presentation of data, testing of hypothesis, type first and type second errors, type 1 and type 2 errors, levels of significance, power of a statistical test, and effect size, parametric techniques, non-parametric techniques, conditions to be satisfied for using parametric techniques, inferential data analysis, use and interpretation of statistical techniques, correlation, t-test, z-test, ANOVA, chi-square, equal probability, and normal probability hypothesis. Qualitative data analysis, data reduction and classification, analytical induction and constant comparison, concept of triangulation. Part D, qualitative research designs, grounded theory designs, types, characteristics, designs, steps in conducting a grounded theory research, strengths and weaknesses of grounded theory. Narrative research designs, meaning and key characteristics, steps in conducting NR designs, case study, meaning, characteristics, components of a characteristic design, components of a CS design, types of CS design, steps of conducting a CS research, strengths and weaknesses, ethnography, meaning, characteristics, underlying assumptions, steps of conducting ethnographic research, writing ethnographic account, strengths and weaknesses, mixed method designs, characteristics, types of design, triangulation, explanatory and exploratory, design. Steps in conducting MM design. Strengths and weaknesses of MM research. अब हम आ जाते हैं यूनिट 7 पे, पेडागोजी, एंड्रोगोजी एंड असेसमेंट। पार्ट ए, पेडागोजी, पेडागोजिकल एनालिसिस, कॉन्सेप्ट एंड स्ट्रेटजीज, क्रिटिकल पेडागोजी, मीनिंग, नीड एंड implications in teacher education, organizing teaching, memory level, Herbartian model, understanding level, Morrison teaching model, reflective level, Bigge and Hunt teaching model, concept of andragogy in education, meaning, principles, competencies of self-directed learning, theory of andragogy, Malcolm Knowles, the dynamic model of learner autonomy. Part B, assessment, meaning, nature, perspectives, assessment for learning, assessment of learning and assessment of learning, assessment for learning and assessment of learning and assessment of learning, दो बार दिया हुआ है, assessment of learning and assessment of learning. Types of assessment, placement, formative, diagnostic, summative, relations between objectives and outcomes, assessment of cognitive, Anderson and Krathwohl, affective, Krathwohl and psychomotor domains, R.S. Dave of learning. Assessment, now in part C, assessment in pedagogy of education, feedback devices, meaning, types, criteria, guidance as a feedback devices, assessment of portfolios, reflective journal, field engagement using rubrics, competency based evaluation, assessment of teacher prepared ICT resources. Part D, assessment in andragogy education, interaction analysis, Flanders interaction analysis, Galloway's system of interaction analysis, recording of classroom events, construction and interpretation of interaction matrix, criteria for teacher evaluation, product, process and presage criteria, rubrics for self and peer evaluation, meaning, steps of construction. Unit 8, technology in or for education, technology in education and technology for education. Concept of educational technology, ET as a discipline, information technology, communication technology, information and communication technology, ICT, and instructional technology, applications of educational technology, informal, non-formal, open and distance learning, informal and inclusive education systems, overview of behaviorist, cognitive and constructivist theories and their implications to instructional design, Skinner, Piaget, Ausubel, Brunner, Vygotsky, relationship between learning theories and instructional strategies for large and small groups, formal and non-formal groups. Part B, systems approach to instructional design, models of development of instructional design, ADDIE, Assure, Dick and Carey model, Masons. Gagne's 9 events of instruction and 5 E's of constructivism, 9 elements of constructivist instructional design, 9 elements of constructivist instructional design, application of computers in education, CAI, CAL, CBT, CML, concept process of preparing, ODLM, concept of e-learning, approaches to e-learning, offline, online, synchronous, asynchronous, blended learning, mobile learning. Part C, emerging trends in e-learning, social learning, concept, use of web 2.0, tools for learning, social networking sites, blogs, chats, video conferencing, discussing room, discussion forum, open education resources, creative common, massive open online courses, concept and application, E-inclusion, concept of e-inclusion, application of assistive technology in e-learning, quality of e-learning, measure quality of system, information, system, service, user satisfaction and net benefits. D and M, IS Success Model 2003. Ethical issues for e-learner and e-teacher, teaching, learning and research. Part D, use of ICT in evaluation, administration and research, e-portfolios, ICT for research, online repos- repositories and online libraries, online and offline assessment tools, online survey tools or test generators, concepts and development. Unit 9, Educational Management, Administration and Leadership. Part A, Educational Management and Administration, meaning, principles, functions and importance of institutional building, POSD, CORB, POSD, CORB, CPM, PERT, Management as a System, SWOT Analysis, Taylorism, Administration as a Process, Administration as a Bureaucracy, Human Relations, Approach to Administration, Organizational Compliance, Organizational Development, Organizational Climate. Part B, Leadership in Educational Administration, meaning and nature, approaches to leadership, trait, transformational, transactional, value-based, cultural, psychodynamic, and charismatic, models of leadership, Blake and Mountain's managerial grid, Fiedler's contingency model, tri-dimensional model, Hersey and Blanchard's model, leader-member exchange theory. Part C, concept of quality and quality in education, Indian and international perspective, evolution of quality inspection, quality control, quality assurance, total quality management, TQM, Six Sigma, quality gurus, Walter Shewhart, Edward Deming, C.K. Prellhead. Part D, change management, meaning, need for planned change, three-step model of change, unfreezing, moving, refreezing, the Japanese models of change, just in time, Pokayop, cost of quality, appraisal cost, failure cost, and preventable cost, cost benefits analysis, cost effective analysis, Indian and international quality assurance agencies, objectives, functions, roles, and initiatives, National Assessment Accreditation Council, NAASC, performance indicators, Quality Council of India, QCI, International Network for Quality Assurance Agencies in Higher Education, INQAAHE. अब आते हैं यूनिट 10 पे, इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन। यूनिट 10 है इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन। तो इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन के बारे में देख लेते हैं। पार्ट ए, इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन, कॉन्सेप्ट, प्रिंसिपल्स, स्कोप एंड टारगेट ग्रुप्स, डाइवर्स लर्नर इंक्लूडिंग मार्जिनलाइज्ड ग्रुप एंड लर्नर्स विद डिसेबिलिटीज, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द फिलोसफी ऑफ इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन, स्पेशल इंटीग्रेटेड इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन, लीगल प्रोविजंस, पॉलिसीज एंड लेजिस्लेशंस, नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑफ एजुकेशन 1986, program of action 1992, Persons with Disabilities Act 1995, National Policy of Disabilities 2006, National Curriculum Framework 2005, Concession and Facilities to Diverse Learner, Academic and Financial Rehabilitation, Council of India Act 1992, Inclusive Education under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan SSA, features of UNCRPD, United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, UNCRPD, and its implication. Part B, concept of impairment, disability and handicap, classification of disabilities based on ICF model, readiness of a school and models of inclusion, prevalence, types, characteristics, and educational needs of diverse learners, intellectual, physical, and multiple disabilities, causes and preventions of disabilities, identification of diverse learners for inclusion, educational evaluation methods, techniques, and tools. Part C. Planning and management of inclusive classrooms, infrastructure, human resource and instructional practices, curriculum and curricular adaptations for diverse learners, assistive and adaptive technology for diverse learners, product, aids and appliances, and process, individualized education plan, remedial teaching, parent professional partnership, role of parents, peers, professionals, teachers, school. Part D. Barriers and facilitators in inclusive education, attitude, social and educational, current status and ethical issues of inclusive education in India, research trends of inclusive education in India. ये था हमारा सिलेबस यूजीसी नेट एजुकेशन का, जिसमें 10 यूनिट्स हैं। प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें सिलेबस को थॉरली रीड कर लेना चाहिए, जिससे कि हम सिलेबस के अंदर टॉपिक से अवेयर हो सकें। और बहुत जल्दी हम वीडियो लेक्चर्स लेके आएंगे टॉपिक वाइज, बेस्ड ऑन यूजीसी नेट पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2 बोथ। थैंक यू।